After the Christian police, the parade Simon, Jeffy Signal Red Platform, Red Commandant, up Platon, up Construction Cadet, Simon. Our honorable chief guest now will round for the sport inspection. And we have the commander, voting wing, accompany the chief guest for the sport inspection of all the contingents taking part in this march past for the parade. The next we have with the platoon commander will lead the parade. We have the Nana Special Residential School established in the year 2011. The school is specially helping the underprivileged children. We have the boys and girls contingent from the Rima. The direction for the area government UP School Peninsula established in the year 1964. Motto to strive hard. Then we have the No Sound from SSA UP School established in the year 2010. The motto of the school is Education for Empowerment. So we have the right to work for the area RMSA. It is the accreditation of the UP right to work for the area government. It being upgraded in the year 2013. The motto of the school is to say, to strive.
Pay attention.
After the spot inspection of all the contingents, the chief guest is arriving at the saluting base, where he will deliver an address of the day. The parade commander, holding the link, returning back to the spot. Simon, flight commander, report. Up to your link, returning back to
Ang kalmahan pa rin na square.
Ya, inanong solid ka. Kecil lah.
Our chief guest, Secretary General Police, was taking the salute of the march past is on the salute base and present. The first contingent approaching the salute base is the Meghalaya Police, where Ed Mark is the commander.
Mix deh. Bangsa yung mix deh.
The Neymar boys is approaching the salute base, where the boys contingent commander Shahid
May luma.
flag bearer Dap Kupang Tumak and flag bearer Limamang Kupang from Maulo. Neymar girls contingent is approaching the salute base where the commander on the top
Tim ni Neymar.
photo of